Hi, I'm Sean Dixon Sullivan, founder of Contour Lines Corps. We work with rural communities here in Guatemala, transitioning their lands into regenerative agroforestry systems. Like this site here that was slash and burn corn, now it's a biodiverse food forest with over 150 fruit trees, limon, cacao, rambutan, avocado, mango, guanaba, as well as short-term crops planted in between, like platano, pineapple, cassava, turmeric, among others. We now have over 2,500 of these sites throughout the country in over 160 villages, growing more and more each season.
Mi nombre es Nelson Cuscal. Nos encontramos aquí en mi parcela demostrativa. Cuando empezamos esta parcela, pues empezamos muy diferente. La tierra está muy pobre. Entonces, si se dan cuenta ahorita aquí, pues tengo sembrado estacas de madre cacao y que eso está sirviendo para abono para fertilizar bien la tierra.
I'd like to say first and foremost, huge thanks to our technicians. These are local guys that we've trained up that are running everything from organizing new communities to designing and planting the sites, to training the participants, and now to buying and shipping the harvests. On that note, I'd like to thank John Rulek and Hannah Ekberg for supporting our center in Antigua.
Hi, I'm Nicte. Here we are in the Contour Line Center. It's a store, restaurant, and cafe. The purpose of this place is to buy the harvest, mostly of the Contour Lines projects, but also of other projects of regenerative agriculture. Here we do flowers, we do ferments, we do salsas, we do bakery, among other things. The main objective is to increase the economy in the communities, to make economically sustainable and more viable projects for the families. Also to teach the consumer to consume better, to consume local, to support the local farmers, to join the regenerative movement and eat healthy food.
Also want to say huge thanks to Malcolm and One Tree Planted for supporting the tree planting side. We've planted 500,000 trees now and a lot more to come in the following years. You can visit our center in Antigua or see the website to learn more, or please find buyers for these wholesale products, bring healthy organic food to the markets, as well as income to these families who are transitioning their land. Thank you very much. Contour Lines.